Is your Gmail space running out? Then maybe it's time for you to clean it up. Scroll down. If you take a look at mine, you can see that mine is almost full, and Gmail gives a free 15 gigabyte space, but as you can see, mine is already at 14.7, which means it's almost full. So it's time for me to clean it up. Now, to clean it up, I'm first of all going to go to the category that I don't need, which is a promotion category. And to delete or to bulk click an email, you can just go across the emails, click on the little box and select the number of emails that you don't need, and then you can click the trash icon at the top, or you can simply just come up here, select everything by clicking on this little square box. When you click on that, it's going to select all the emails in the promotion category, and then you can easily delete it. Instead of clicking the trash can, just come here. As you can see, it says all 52 conversations on this page are selected. But if you take a look across, it says select all 11,573 conversations, meaning that not all the promotional emails have been selected, all right? So it's just 52. And that means that it's just the emails on this first page that has been selected. Now, to be able to select all the 11,573 emails on the promotion category, click on select all 11,573 conversations. As you can see, it says all 11,573 conversations have been selected. Then you can now click on the trash icon and then click OK, and it's going to be deleted, right? So all the promotional emails that are in your promotional category has been deleted. Now, sometimes you might find that even when you delete it, it's not all going to be deleted. So you need to still follow the same process and delete until everything is cleared up. Now, when you delete these emails, it goes directly into the trash can. And when it's still in the trash can, it means it's still occupying space, right? So the next thing to do is to go to the left and click the down arrow across more. And when you click the more button, you're going to see the trash can. Now, click on the trash can and you're going to see all the emails that you've deleted inside. Next thing to do is to select and delete all of these emails so that you can have space. Now, to delete these emails in the trash can, come at the top here, click on this square button that's going to select all the emails, right? And then you're going to come here, you're going to see that we have selected just 50 emails and we have a total of 12,000 emails in the trash can. So click on select all, and once it's selected, you can then come here and click delete forever. Now, all the promotional emails have been deleted. Now, you can go to the next categories, maybe to your inbox or to the sent emails, and then you can select the emails that you don't want. You don't need to select everything. Just select the specific emails I don't want and then click the trash icon and it's going to take you to the trash can. Another way you can delete emails, specific emails, go to the search bar and maybe type in a specific keyword or maybe the email address, and you're going to see all the emails from that email address and you can just delete them if you don't want them. Another way you can delete specific emails is to use the filter option, right? So you're going to come here, click on these three lines, and then you can now filter through the different emails based on size. For example, if you want to delete all emails that are greater than 10 megabytes, right? So you can come here, write 10 megabytes, or all emails that have stayed a while in your inbox. You can just come here, click on the drop down arrow, and you can filter through emails based on how long they have stayed in your inbox, maybe 1 year, 6 months. So then click search and it's going to show you all the emails based on your filter, and then you can select, then you can just easily delete all of them. Again, do not forget to go to the trash and delete everything forever. Now we can just scroll down and see if we have freed up some space. As you can see, it shows we have freed up to 1 gigabyte space. So to free up more space, you need to go to each categories and select the emails that you don't need and delete all of them. If you have any question, feel free to leave it in the comment section. I will gladly respond to all your questions. Thank you so much for watching the video right up to now. And if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And of course, do not forget to smash that subscribe button because that is how you're going to get updated every time I upload such videos. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video once more and thank you so much for watching, and as always, see you in the next video.